Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, dear students. I am Ashik Hussain, a vocational trainer posted at Government BHSS Tragam, Kupwara. So, dear students, our today's topic is how to insert a picture in Microsoft Word. It's very simple. How do you insert any type of picture in your Microsoft Word? Okay. So, first of all, you have to go to the insert. You see in the illustration there is insert option like this. There is insert option. Okay, so if I click on this picture, you will get a floating dialog box like this. You will get a floating dialog box. Floating means like this. This is a floating dialog box. I have just clicked on the picture and this floating dialog box appeared. If I click on this picture, so this kind of dialog box, so from here I will choose one picture. So there are various pictures. I will choose one picture. I will click on insert. So once I click on insert, you see the picture size like this. You see the picture size is very big. Okay, you see the picture size is very big. So to resize the picture, what I will do, I will try to reduce the size like this way. I will try to reduce the size of this picture like this way. Yes, now the size of the picture has been reduced. Okay, but the position of the picture is not correct here. So what can I do this? What can I do this now? Once the picture is selected, you see on the format there is a position given like this. On the format, a position given like this. You see there are 9 positions. There are 9 positions of this picture in the document. Okay, like top left is there, middle and top right is there. For example, I want the top right place. So I will choose this one. I have just clicked. Wait, yes, it's done. Okay, so you see the picture inserted on the top right of. If you again want to resize, you can use the mouse like this way. If you want to resize this picture again, you can use your mouse like this way. Okay, so imagine you have to insert some other options and you want to change the shape of the picture. You want to change the shape of the picture also. Okay, so what you can do it, you can select from the picture style. There are many styles in this area. There are many styles, like there are varieties of styles you can use. If I select a style like this one, or I can use also this one like this. Okay, this style has been this effect has been given to the picture. Okay, if you want, you can just format the picture into a 3D format. There are many options, like if you want the format, if you want your picture to be in a 3D format, you can give some angle to the picture also using this option. Like I will just click on picture option or picture effects. Okay, picture effects. I have clicked on picture effects. From here you can give 3D angle. You can give 3D angle. There are many options, like preset is, shadow is there, a reflection is, glow is, soft edges, bevel is, and 3D rotation is there especially. So You can give as 3D rotation. Say I have selected this one. See, I have selected this one like this. Okay. So effect is given below. So the picture will be tilted accordingly you want. This picture is being tilted accordingly you want. Similarly, various things are available. That means you can remove the background. You can remove the background as well of this picture. You can compress the picture as well. Like you have options there. Compress, change picture, change picture or reset. Okay. So if you want, you can change the picture. Click on this change picture. Like change picture. So you can choose another picture, any picture from insert. You can insert like this picture. I will just insert the new picture here. You can choose this picture. You see that picture has been replaced, okay, with this picture, with that picture, the first one. Okay, so I hope that you have understood how to insert a picture into Microsoft Word and also edit related to picture styles. So I think it is sufficient for today. Thank you. Have a nice time ahead.